Hello everyone and welcome to Daily Fix Guide. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to connect your Xbox controller to your phone in a step-by-step manner. So without wasting any more time, let's jump right in. First things first, unlock your phone and then go to the settings panel of your phone. Then scroll and find the Bluetooth option. It's usually at the very top. Simply find that and open it. Now make sure that the Bluetooth is turned on. If it's not turned on, turn it on. Once the Bluetooth is turned on, you will see it start searching for available devices. Now the next step is to take your Xbox controller and press the Xbox button, the big glowing button in the very middle, to turn the controller on. Now on the top edge of your controller, look for a tiny round button next to the USB port. This is the sync or pairing button. Now, hold down the sync button for about 3 seconds until the Xbox button on your controller starts flashing. This means your controller is in discovery mode and is ready to connect. Now back to your phone's Bluetooth settings. Wait for a few seconds and you will see an Xbox wireless controller in the available list. So if you are unable to see that, refresh your current list by clicking on the refresh option, and then the Xbox wireless controller should appear here. The Xbox button on your controller will stop flashing. Now what you have to do is simply tap on that Xbox wireless controller when it appears. And then you might see a message saying pairing or asking for permission. So simply tap pair and start the pairing. And then the Xbox button on your controller will stop flashing and will stay lit once it's connected. And that's the sign that you're looking for. That means your controller is now connected to your phone. Now you can use your Xbox controller to play compatible games, including cloud gaming with Xbox Game Pass Ultimate or mobile titles that support controllers. So now try opening a game and use the controller to navigate the menus and play the game right away. Now for a few people, there might be some issues. Like, for example, if your controller doesn't appear, make sure that Bluetooth is turned on and try pressing the sync button again. And for older controllers, you may need to update your controller's firmware by connecting it to an Xbox console or a PC first before pairing with your phone. Lastly, if asked for a password, simply enter 5 zeros. So that's it. You have just paired your Xbox controller to your phone and unlocked a new level of mobile gaming. So enjoy your games wherever you are and take your skill on the go. If you found this video helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. Thank you for watching and take care.